music, ting ting ting, music, ting ting ting, music, ting ting ting, music, ting ting ting, music. Doom 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 doom. Doom 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 doom. Doom 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 doom. Doom 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 boom my doom doom boom my doom doom boom my doom 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 doom. Music, ting ting ting, music, ting ting ting, music, ting ting ting, music, ting ting, music, ting ting, music, ting ting, music, Ten seconds remaining.
My man said, hey, oh man, I'm so terrible. Oh my gosh. Jamie, how do you feel about his performance?
Unbelievable skill sets there. You're so on top of it. You didn't crush anything together. You lifted every sound so brilliantly. And visually, you made a spectacle. So it wasn't only something that was audible, it was a really beautiful visual performance. Thank you.
Mom Shadow, what do you think of his beatboxing skills?
Smoke, you came out smoking. Hey? And you're a drama teacher as well, so you put the two together, and I think it worked brilliantly. I was very, very entertained. Well done.
And Fresh, do you see a feature Nyana on a new album?
What, you or him?
Me.
Listen, I will say it again. I'm glad I turned you away 3 years ago.
Yeah.
Because had we said 3 years ago, no, you're good, you would have drowned. Because you went back, you fixed everything, you've put a show together. Not only that, but you've also made it very accessible. Because beatboxing can be very technical. But you've made everyone feel like, yeah, I can hear what he's doing. There's a talent here. And I think that's the magic of how you beatbox. Well done.